Hello Aquarius, so this is an overview of 2021. So what's coming in 2021 with your career, business, money, family, relationship, love, health, academics. So you get to know in this reading. So I'll be pulling out a 10 card spread and we'll see what comes here. So let's start Aquarius. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign, so could check the other video as well. So let's start Aquarius. 3 shuffles, one more last shuffle. The Fool. So there is new beginnings, Four of Pentacle, the Strength, Page of Pentacle, Six of Swords, and Two of Wands. Yes, the Magician, great. Five of Swords, Queen of Swords, and the Page of Wands. So what I see with the Fool card, with the Page of Wands, in this year Aquarius, this is a year of overall expansion for you. Expansion in your career, expansion in your family, expansion in your growth, expansion in your finances, expansion in your social, status, in your social events. So overall a year of expansion here, Aquarius. What I see here is that there could be some monetary issues in the first 3-4 months of your you could be finding restricted money in the flow or restricted income in the first 3 or 4 months. After that things will get better, it will start moving forward. There will be also there could be steady rise in expenditure which will bother you a little in the first 3 months that I see here. Things will start picking up after April, or from April, mid-April around. That's what I feel here. And then you will see growth and, slowly moving towards, better finances, better, career options. I see you having abroad, in job. Some of you might land up in overseas job here and move, move to foreign locales for this. But there is going to be a stiff competition, but you will get through here. So those who are looking for an overseas opportunity, there is for you. You will have to, work hard, and definitely the luck will be by your side here. But in business, you need to be a little, careful. There could be, issues could be of delay. That's what I see here. There could be some delays, some obstacles, so very properly plan your action. Take care of all your documents, cross check it, make a business plan and stick to it. There could be some errors, obstacles or delays. That's what I feel here. Teamwork will get you success. If you're working as a team, either in business or job, that will be more rewarding. It will be more successful here. That's what I see here. This is for some of you students will get jobs like an internship where you learn and earn together. And in academics, this is a good year for students. You will be moving to your universities for higher studies where you desire to. So it will be a good year. If you have worked hard, the luck will be by your side. It will be a good year. This is also a good year to settle down, for marriage, for singles. That was I say. Relationships also will be good because you will get to spend more time with your partner. They will be more expressive to you and you will also be more expressive to them. Lucky year for singles, I said. Some of you will go out on a holiday with friends, family, overseas holiday also. You have been planning, you will go out for holidays here. For some of you, there could be a reconciliation with an ex-partner. So an ex could come back into your life. That's what I see here. You could be committed and still and return of an ex. So you take a call by yourself. That's what I say. Medium and long-term investments will be fruitful to you. It will give good returns. Do not go for deals or investments which look too good to be true. You could be cheated. There could be deceits there. Just be careful in the first 3 months with your expenses. Yeah, do not, there will be expenses that are going to be bother you, but you need to handle it maturity. With the Fool card, with the Four of Pentacle, it's like if you do not look into, if you do not stop the overspending, you are going to be in trouble. This is for some of you here. Uh, in business, you need to be careful, and there will be minor obstacles and delays, so you work it accordingly. Here you have this Magician. Magician is a card you can, in the second half of the year, it's better for finances, better financial luck. Some of you will be relocating or moving to different locales. Either you could get a job transfer or a new job. So moving here, I see in the second half to any other state or another country. That's what I see here. You need to take action. That's what. With the Magician card, you have everything, Aquarius, to make this year very successful and in your favor. But you need to take action. Especially in the second half of this year, you will manifest what you have been desiring with your action. With the action so your power of manifestation will be high in this time, the second half. Here, Five of Swords. So there could be ego issues with you, with the people you work or at home or family, that you need to take care of. So if there are any false ego issues, try to work out with diplomacy, ease and calmness. It could cause a little bit of stress in the family or in your workplace. So just you need to take care of that ego issues here. Queen of Swords. So I will see, Aquarius, you being very focused, you'll be very clear, and you will cut out people and situations that don't serve you anymore. You will be very straightforward in your communications. Your communications will be great, actually. That's what I feel here. Clear-cut communication. So you will be focused and clear-cut. Clear-cut communication will also help you ease out this ego issues, I feel here. Expressing whatever you feel clearly will help you come out of this ego issue here. Page of Wands. So something in the last part of the year, some of you might start a new job, some of you might start a new business venture, some of you might, new love, new relationship, a new love for some of you here, on fire signs. And also I see some of you getting married in the second part. After April, things are good for relationship and love. That's what I would say here. Actually, after April, things will start moving forward. You're rising your status, rising your finances, expansion. That's what I told you. Expansion is the theme. So everything you will see growing and expanding, Aquarius. Looks to be a great year. So just do well. Just plan your things, in order and work accordingly. This will give you a lot of success here. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.